What's up guys, welcome to PENTA TUBE. Today we are going to unbox the Soundcore Liberty 2 and here we go. Firstly, let us see the box overview. Here it is written Soundcore by Anchor Liberty 2 Total Wireless Earphones, and here we can see the product image. These are diamond coated, Qualcomm supported, and here we can see the features of Soundcore Liberty 2. Towards one side of the box it is written that they are diamond coated drivers. Towards the back of the box we can see the features of Soundcore. Flawless audio with diamond coated driver. Hear ID for personalized sound. Up to 8 hours playback time. 4 microphones with noise cancellation. Charge for 10 minutes and listen for 2 hours. Fully sweat proof. And down there we can see the price details. This is 9,999 Indian currency. Towards the bottom of the box we can see few manufacturing details. Okay, now let's unbox the Soundcore Liberty 2. Firstly, when we open, we can see the details of Hear ID test. Hear ID test is used in personalizing the sound experience. Firstly, when we open the box, we can see the earbuds and the case. And later on, we can see some paperwork. Next we can see a charging cable and extra ear tips of various sizes. They have provided a very good quality USB to Type-C charging cable. Now let us see what are these papers. Here they provided the procedure to contact the customer care service. And next we have a card questioning how do we sound. Here they are asking for feedback to improve their services. And next we have the quick start guide. At last, the precautions booklet. Now let us speak about the charging case. The case is light and durable. This sliding technology gives a luxury feel. Here we have gold plated pins for charging and left and right readings. This case is made out of hard plastic, and here we can see the LED charging indicators. Towards the extreme top we can see a Type-C charging port and a power on off button. After keeping the buds inside we can see the LED indicators blinking. This case has a very good magnetic grip for holding the buds from falling. Coming to the buds, they are also very light and durable. Here we can see the Soundcore branding and a microphone. To the top we can see the button and the left-right readings. And here we have the rubber tip for noise cancellation. These are the diamond coated drivers. And to the down we have the charging pins. And also a secondary microphone. These buds also have an LED indicator. The quality is excellent and they are completely in-ear fitting. Okay, now let us connect these and enjoy. To enhance the experience, you have to install Soundcore application from Play Store. Now, let us reset the buds to make sure they connect at the first attempt. All you do to reset is hold the power button for 10 seconds. Now, turn on the Bluetooth and pair with Soundcore Liberty 2. After they are connected, you can see the buds blinking. Now let us open the Soundcore app and personalize our experience. To continue the process, you have to create an account in Soundcore application. Okay, now I had created an account and activated it. Now let us move into the Soundcore application. Now move to the headphones column and click on Liberty series. Now select Liberty 2. After allowing all the permissions, it starts searching. And now update firmware to fix the bugs. Now the update is completed. Now we have the option called equalizer. This is to customize the sound quality. We can also customize the controls according to our wish. In equalizer option, you have custom where you can customize your sound decibels. And back there we have the Hear ID test where you can personalize your hearing experience. For the test, all you need to do is plug in the earbuds and follow the instructions carefully. For this test, you need to be in a calm place. After the test, you can see your results and it asks whether to personalize your earphones or not. And now your personalization of the earbuds is done. And lastly, all you need to do is plug in the earbuds, play some music and enjoy. So guys, this is the unboxing and review of Soundcore Liberty 2. Hope you guys enjoy. If you end up liking my content, a sub to the channel would be great. And do not forget to like and share.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.